Hello guys, I use my phone Ulefone Armor 7E. This version 4GB memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking, look completion. Okay, device. Okay. On the front side, 6.3-inch display. Completion. Key for SIM slot. Glass on the display, guarantee papers, quick guides, okay, USB Type-C cable, OTG cable, adapter USB Type-C to headphones jack, adapter to USB Type-C micro SD and micro USB, and adapter for charging. Okay, very good completion. Very good completion. And now talk about device. Device have waterproof and shockproof body, IP 69K and IP68 proof we have. Okay, on this side, smart key slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key, volume keys and fingerprint scanner. Downside, USB Type-C port. On the back side, triple camera, heart rate sensor, and 5 strong LED. Okay. Turn on device. We have IPS Matrix Full HD Plus resolution. Open Geekbench 5 and talk about system information. CPU MediaTek Helio P90 or MT6779. Octa-core processor 6+4 cores, 2 GHz speed and 2.2 GHz speed. GPU PowerWare Roach GM9446 resolution and display PPA. Look results, CPU test results, okay, and look AnTuTu benchmark results. AnTuTu benchmark results. Run GTA San Andreas, look how GTA San Andreas works on the device. Game work on the maximum graphic level. Game work with little lags, but good. Good gameplay. Okay, close GTA San Andreas, and now I'll show you photos on the main triple camera. Main triple camera 48, 16 plus 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.